I'm going to show you guys how to properly shoe goo your shoes. Gonna let them dry overnight, and tomorrow we're going skating. First things first, you are gonna wanna open up the door or window of whatever room you're in. I honestly do not even recommend doing this indoors because it's gonna make whatever room you're in reek of glue for the next 2 days. So I don't like that, you probably don't like that, your parents definitely don't like that. So do it outdoors, do it in the garage. Now you're probably thinking to yourself, Bryce, that's stupid. Everybody knows how to shoe goo their shoes. Well, I'm gonna show you one easy hack that's gonna make the whole process a hell of a lot easier and a lot less messy. The first thing you need is an old skate shoe. Now the best time to goo your shoe is right before there's a hole in it. If you wait too long and there actually is a hole, it's gonna make it a lot more tricky and it kind of compromises the shoe. It's not as sturdy as it once was, so definitely goo it before there's a hole in it. Second thing you need is Shoe Goo. You can get this stuff anywhere. They sell it at skate shops, Walmart, Target, Home Depot, Amazon, anywhere. It is not hard to find. Third thing you need is something to spread the goo. Now that could be a nail, popsicle stick, toothpick, anything you do not mind throwing away once you're done. And the fourth thing you probably did not think you needed, ice cubes. These are great because glue does not stick to ice and they are perfect for smoothing it out and giving a nice smooth finish to the shoe when you're done. Oh, I missed. Step 1, apply your goo. Now you just want to start with a little bit right on top of the shoe. You can always add more, but once you add it, it's hard to get rid of it. So as you can see, I'm just going to add 2 little lines right here. Alright, that'll be enough for the first layer. Next, you take your nail, whatever you're using to spread it, and just kind of spread the goo out a little bit. Now you could skip the nail and go straight to the ice cube, it really doesn't matter, but I like to use the nail just to kind of smooth it out right before I use the ice. Now that we have some goo down, we're going to take our ice cube and just start smoothing it out. Alright, our first layer is looking good. Now we're going to go ahead and add a little bit more. You really just want to make a nice smooth coating right over where the hole is forming. This is basically just going to provide an extra layer of security for you before you rip all the way through. Now you want to use this ice cube just to thin it down super thin so you can't even tell it's there. As you see, it's kind of dripping water. It's really not a big deal. It will dry. You can go ahead and blow it off if you need to. If there's any spots that you want to add a little bit more goo on, you can just kind of put a little dab here and there wherever you need it and then smooth it out as you go. And there you have it. Our shoes are successfully gooed. It's nice and smooth because of that ice cube. I'm gonna let this dry overnight and tomorrow we're going skating. All right, just got to the spot, gonna link up with Andrew here. Oh, there he is. Let's see what he's got. He's skating some tables.
What's up, Bryce?
Hell yeah, dude. This is a sick setup. Got a little block to down rail. Nice setup with the flip tables. Let's have some fun here.
Time for class, Bryce. Let's go.
That was proper.
It's a cool style of writing you have there, dude.
What did I do? That's not normal, is it?
Bryce, you break everything.
So I'm trying to loosen it, and the bolt's not going nowhere. Oh, shit.
Dang it, Bryce.
Well, it's like my 5th kingpin I've broken this year. I'm fat. That was a fun little sesh. I broke my kingpin, so we're gonna head to the skate shop, get new chucks for me. Andrew wants a new board. Thanks for letting me use your board, Andrew.
Got you, dog.
It's a fun time. Catch you guys later.
We're at Street Science. It's super hot. But here's some Andrew cam. Can you see me?
buck spin. Oh, thanks, man. Thank you, Street Science, for having us. If you guys are in need of any skateboard gear, come on by. They got boards, trucks, wheels, bearings, anything you need. They are doing reduced hours right now due to everything going on, and unfortunately the ramp is closed to the public. So you guys will have to wait until all this blows over before you can come catch a sesh on the ramp. But it is a really fun ramp, and they do offer lessons too if you guys are interested. So thanks so much for watching. Had a fun day with Andrew, and I'll catch you next week with some more intel. Peace.